A good of Shabbos, this week is Parshat Toldot. Rivka feels v'yisroitz zu abonim. There's a struggle within her womb, and she's concerned. She asks the holy tzaddikim of her generation, what is going on? And they tell her, you have 2 children, twins. And eventually, they are going to be 2 nations who are they're going to struggle one against each other. And in Hasidic thought, Rabbi Shlomo Gestetner explains that symbolically, on the micro level, this means that a Jew has a godly soul and a human, biological, animal soul within them. And they struggle. And our mission is to ensure that the godly soul overcomes the human, biological side, to be godly people. And if we ensure on the micro level that our godly soul is what motivates and leads the mission, then that will ensure on the macro level that the Jewish people will shed light on the world. Good Shabbos.